Etiefo assemble ya abeda medex no mebuefu yie pan asema areho 18-year-old girl your friend Precious yenyante yese Precious din kan no enya ne real name but esan say asem say ne no we don't want the public to know the identity of this lady in internet yakase your friend Precious na see the better as subscribe and click the notification bell no so just a 18-year-old lady say aflao Volta region and from April and I report yes 18-year-old lady be nkrofo mienu bi akidnapping no na san nkrofo 2 year wo akidnapping no etiefo wo bi be sase eba ne sen lady ene ne mame wo mo nkrofo bi ayebeka so mo ye Christopher enti won say Christopher de won say ebia wo Christo ni bi eko ahunyenhie mu a Bible ne trese se obo ani bakro no na nkrofo mienu bi womo ye omo ho se womo ye asofo a womo fi Nigeria a womo abedu Ghana womo ho akire womo inti no sought to seek refuge e wo lady we ni ma me fie na ne ma me so on se eya na wo ni mobi na ne bako no e pese wo betena ofie se ne ho akire na eya na den se obema no but ne ma me san se wo ye Kristo ni inti no odinani eto Christ so e ka se okay omo ye asofo and they say mepene emomo amatre se wo mo be seek refuge ewo lady ni fie ne ebehwa ne se nkrofo 2 we akidnap wo mo 18-year-old child and yato ni din Precious no na obi be ye papa amatre se papa na abefunu ni sei na wo bi say de wo ye you be sure se wo ye den se papa pa wo be papa biom onye na lady we ye kidnapping no sa nkrofo 2 we nkrofo mienu we o omodin George Andrews and Maxwell Peter na danyame asese police for achi omo sese but yen konsem ne so sankrofo 2 way seeking for ransom every lady no ne mame ene ne papa ho na trese eya no ma frɛ ne mame ne papa say mu fast cambra enye sa ye be say mu fast cambra enye sa ye be say mu fast cambra enye sa ye be say na during the time na wo mo seeking ransom nia no na wo mo the lady no enye one place and na wo mo the lady no etena because wo mo nim say police for a tracy phone call now wo mo be hu wo location nti they were moving from Ghana na fe wo mo Togo wo mo free Togo no mo akọ Nigeria no mo de akola na baba to Togo na say Ghana na say these 3 countries and now this time wo mo kidnap akola no 18-year-old lady no wo mo de no eko na 18 year kan say ka say akola what ya say 18 omo kidnap 18-year-old no wo mo de no eko sa na womo keeping a captive for 4 good months na etie for within these 4 months no wo betie ensema wo ba we ende yakọ rescue no tie ensema wo kan etie for enye easy o say every single day say omo fanani every single day say womo ne dani every single day womo abuse no wo yese woni omo nda masa no mo achechire no wo ma jejire ne dedende no money na da every single day wo mo fan na matrese wo no 18-year-old no wo benyem yo wo be fefro na wo be fefro no e na wo mo sanso e man eduro say insuo mu wo mo de man say wonnom na wonnom ye no de wo say wonnom ya na she fell unconscious na the next day was sorry ye na no hu say moja she was in a blood from her genitalia na trese sebe na yasi moja fi na yasi epie na trese wo mama na edro for abortion no na asem we asem be etie for metie ya na me say asem be aden wiase kra eden na nipa age wo wiase mu na nipa bonifo omo be gu wiase mu sei enya Ghana nkwa etie for she was for the 4 months no she was a sex object for these 2 men we find the we na we have find na tell say wo mo de na atu fi o mo keeping na she feel and na tell say wo mo find say twapia nkwasiafo sebe we hu say sebe ne be ma sori na tell say o de akosiem nkwasiafo nkrofo bi say ye chi o mo say me de eya na ye kan ene ye court na court nsem ye wrong me de o ma to prison na tell say ye the taxpayers money kan na efidi o mo nkrofo bi say ye chi o mo straight ase ebisi wo krobisu na nsen ya will be say India or say they will be corrupio akolabi. Ye chin straight ye trying to bema. Go for be say what you want straight. No they are no they will go to prison after say you are feeding wrong. But if I'm speaking this way, I'm speaking out of emotions. Into Mufan Cheme. I'm speaking out of emotions and pain because who tie in some our bano walk and I bear our war. Now, a tear for what we be say a banner saying and you could rescue no. Now, what for a yoma again say one of the Bay police case in Yamania, but one more shot, send your nan some nekono. Yayin him say Ghana police there, Mempesa me bosso. But send your nan some nekono, na police for no, woman to me. Rescue to papa no or your doctor and on no gada and crow for a flower. And I just say, one and crow for a tracy yarn. I just say, woman sa echo saw, sa a year 2 people yimu, and a woman or more a bar a year police station, a police for a so mumu. Now, mebo papa na baso say with emotions like this, Nankaya me meba and a wobia yesaya. Nankemba mi trimu class and me fan crow for Nenko police station. No, Nkemba mi trim. Now, can't buy me trim back say. Now, it's here for in order for you to know how painful this is. No, I just have some small recording of lady, no, Obano, a 18-year-old lady, no. I have some small recording. Now, what's here? A bayo says soon. Would the young got in a small side, no. Now, yet you know, me born the mamma so no voice at show. Now, I will send you and some no echo.
After all this, my dad had been going through ups and downs to make sure that I get a better treatment, but that is not what I want. What I want is that justice should be served. They shouldn't just go scot-free. You see, when they go scot-free, it happens that it will continue repeating itself again and again and again, and nobody will be saying anything about it. I want I myself to be the last. Because I don't like the way I'm feeling and I don't want someone else to go through that same pain. They usually beat me with planks when they want to have sex with me every day. After this, they find out that I was months pregnant and those boys checked and then they gave me a drink. It's in form of a water, but it's bitter, and when you take it, your stomach gets very hot, and you started feeling very bad.
Now will be bad. Watching no akoye ni say. Na enyese maame no ene papa no kra sebe wo mu di oboni o. You did yourself as a destitute. You can say destitute. Say wo bia wo ni hwe. Sa nkrofo mienu we eye Peter ne Maxwell ana Andrews ne Maxwell yi. Wo mo yo mo ho sebe wo mu ni hwe a wo mo yesofo. A wo mo ko seeking refuge. En oba ne maame ne fie. Na wo boa mo wie ya. Say wo mo the snack ne dada wo ba no eye lady no 18-year-old. And I want a kidnapping. No, a very sad news. While we tie a lady in the voice, I rehosem AC. Na ne mame so akasa. Na de ne mame e say ono ne mame woton ade e wo eye aflawo border ho. Na obi a woni aflawo border bia nim say ho no uremu ana che say wo kotogo anu no. Na e ade a woton ade e wo ho. Na if esan say yakọ rescue ne ba no che say wo mu de na chi hospital because the lady has become very suicidal. And senya na every day one more forcing any than why would say 18 years ebia na wonyo bia na what I have sex originally into no sebe na se no enhye da MBA sa into no se de bia mo ne no have sex na wo be man infection na mo be pra na kra sisia omo the report bia ba medical report bia ba say ya tete enyama bi wonimu ati ase senior na de bia wo ne ne da no wo mu epra no and aside that no she's having psychological problem. Na the psychological problem no ane ne papa kra na kasa wo so se owo ho bia na ne buefu o kai asem na ne buefu na afi wo peso oku ne ho afi wo peso oku ne ho because o say emra na wo mo fa ne nia no sa nkrofo na wo mo ye sa de no wo mo ye yankoma de bi a wo mo ye black covenant e ka che wo ba ne se wo nim na wo ka ho asem na wo yi ho asem tre wo bi a wo bewu nti wo ho bia na ade no ebesi ne su se wo bewu na wo su ache ne papa se wo bewu obeso wo ku ne ho obeso wo ku ne ho nti no sisi ano they are calling for help na yedanyame ase se aspiring MP a wo sa region no ana sa area no take this matter womo ehwe se wo ba we womo behwe amana ko school na trese bibia atodin nti no now we are seeking for psychological help and no nsema ho na very sad news extremely sad news etie for metie no na enye se metena so na ese meye ema munia mu hu de ko montre mo adwen comment box ni motie for me da se na sa mema ne de court ye de oma court omo asem no ya journey na ye twen ruling na the latest on this issue no me de bebremo etie for me da se